Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about how to find a quality automotive repair facility before you need one. Often when talking to folks, they ask me, what should I do? How do I go about this? What are the best ways to find somebody that I can trust to work on my vehicle? Usually what I tell them is, number one, start out with things such as AAA. Always a great place to start. You can actually go to the AAA website, put in your zip code. It'll tell you the certified AAA repair facilities that are local in your area. A great helpful way to start. Number two, visit the facility. Ask them questions. What kind of warranties do you give when you repair my vehicle? Are your technicians qualified and certified? Do you stand behind everything? Are they nationwide warranties? Do you have a drug-free program for your employees? These are great questions to know about the quality of facility, etc. And any quality facility will not mind you visiting them or asking questions about service or repair on your vehicle. These are the best ways to find things when it comes to auto repair and quality. You can also ask friends if they've been going to a place that they really have appreciated for a period of time. These are great ways to make sure you and your vehicle are taken care of properly. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.